So what we have in here is tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the 4x. So we have to prove this thing. The first thing we'll start with left hand side. So left hand side we have what? Tan 4x. Now you know that the formula of tan 2x, the formula of tan 2x, that is equal to what? It is equal to 2 tan x. So 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Keep in mind the x in the bracket. So you see first thing that it was twice into x, right? Inside tan it was twice x. Now when I use the formula, the angle become what? Half. The angle becomes half. So what happens when you use the formula of tan 2x? The formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So the angle become half. Now here tan 4x can be written as, it can be written as tan 2 into 2x. We can write it like this, tan 2 into 2x. Clear? So whatever is in the bracket, you see we are just putting tan 2x is what? Tan 2x is what? We are just putting the bracket in place of tan. So here tan 2 into 2x, so that is tan 4x. So I will just, for the moment, I will forget about this 2 and the formula will become what? It will become 2 tan, what is in the bracket? That is 2x divided by 1 minus 1 minus tan square 2x. So again you see we started with the angle 4x. Now it become what? Half of the angle we got, half of the angle. So 4x ka half kya hai? 2x. The half of 4x is 2x. So same way, previously we started with 2x, the angle become x. So now we started with 4x, the angle become 2x. Now this one, the numerator and denominator, we see that there is tan 2x. So you can use the formula of tan 2x, which we have done in here. So the formula of tan 2x is given by 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. First we use in the numerator, then divided by, then the denominator. Now in trigonometry, when you write tan square 2x, it basically means what? It basically means tan 2x whole square. So in place of this tan 2x, I can use that value 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. So it becomes 1 minus 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. So like this way we can write. Now one thing, we have made a mistake. Mistake means what? We have forgot to write this 2. So this 2 is the formula of tan 2x, but there is a 2 already in there. So it will be 2 in there. So now this 2 and 2, if we multiply, it becomes what? It becomes 4. So we have 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by, now we will do now we'll write this one whole square as, so here square of this number is what? 2 tan x whole square is what? It is 2 square is 4 and tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now if I do the LCM in the denominator and see what you get, look, in the numerator we cannot do anything, so we will just write like this, 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So we have nothing to do in there, we'll just write like that. But in the denominator we will do what? We will do LCM. So if I do the LCM, what do I get? The LCM is what? 1 minus tan square x whole square. It is 1 minus tan square x whole square. Then the denominator will be multiplied in there, to 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. That is what you get. Now you see 1 minus tan square x and here 1 minus tan square x whole square. We can cut them and we get what? 1 minus tan square x, because there was whole square of there. So this 1 minus tan square x, it will now go up because it's down there, so it will go up. So it will become what? So it becomes 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. So if it goes up, it becomes 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x divided by Now we will use the formula of a minus b whole square. Here we will use the formula of a minus b whole square. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? That is a square, that is 1 square minus 2 into a into b. B is what? Tan square x. B is tan square x. So minus 2ab plus b square. So this is my b, this is my b. So square of that thing is what? Tan square x whole square. And we have minus 4 tan square x. Now let's simplify and see what do we get. So 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 2 tan square x. Then we have plus tan to the power 4x minus 4 tan square x. Now 2 tan minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x, this become what? Minus 6 tan square x. So numerator remains same, minus 4 tan x minus 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. So if you look carefully, this is nothing but our right hand side. 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. So that is equal to RHS proved. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please see the video again. Now let's do this question. Cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So again, you know the formula of cos 2x. So what was the formula of cos 2x? The formula, there were three formulas of cos 2x. One was cos square x minus sin square x. Other was 1 minus 2 sin square x. And the other one was 2 cos square x minus 1. So now the question is, which one should we use? So you can use any one of them, but let us use this one, 2 cos square x minus 1, because there is cos everywhere. So let us start with cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x is what? So I will say that cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1. So you see, if I start with 2x, the angle become half and it become x. So here if I am starting with cos 4x, so the angle will become half and the formula will be what? So left hand side will be what? Cos 4x, that will be equal to what? It will be 2 cos square, angle becomes half. So half of 4x is what? 2x minus 1. This is what we get. Okay. Now again, it is what? It is cos square 2x. So cos square 2x is nothing but cos 2x whole square. So in place of cos 2x, I can use this formula again. So you have 2 cos square x minus 1 whole square. So I can do this thing. So let us write that 2 cos square x minus 1 whole square minus 1. Clear? In place of cos 2x, I am writing 2 cos square x minus 1, and there is a cos square x. That's why we need to have square in there. So again, we will be using a minus b whole square. So it becomes what? 2. What is a? A is 2 cos square x. So a square will be what? 2 cos square x whole square, that is a square, minus 2ab. So 2 into a is 2 cos square x into b is 1, and then we have plus 1 square, and outside there is minus 1. So what you get? 2. So here we have 4 cos to the power 4x minus 4 cos square x. Here we have plus 1 minus 1. Now if I multiply with 2, I get 8 cos to the power 4x minus 8 cos square x plus 2 minus 1. So plus 2 minus 1 becomes what? Plus 1, right? But these two, I will see what is common. So if you look at them carefully, 8 is common and cos square x is common. So I will take 8 cos square x common, and I will get cos square x minus 1 plus 1. Now cos square x minus 1 is what? What is the value? Now we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, right? We know this thing. Now we need to find the value of what? Cos square x minus 1, right? So what I am going to do is, I will take this one this side. I will take this one in the left hand side. I will take this one in the left hand side and see what do we get, and take the sin square x in the right hand side. I am taking sin square x in the right hand side and 1 in the left hand side. So we have got cos square x minus 1 is equal to, if I take sine square x that side, we have minus sine square x. So you can easily see cos square x minus 1 is nothing but minus sine square x, right? So in place of cos square x minus 1, I will write minus sine square x. So cos square x, 8 cos square x, this one becomes minus sine square x plus 1. So 8 cos square x into sine square x, it becomes minus 8 cos square x sine square x plus 1. So is equal to 1 minus 8 cos square x sine square x. So that's how we solve this one. I think this is what you will see in here. So cos square x is written first, sine square x is written first, doesn't matter. So either you write this one first, doesn't matter. So it is multiplication, you can write any one of them. So that is equal to right hand side, and we have proved. So this is how we do question number 24. Now let's start with question number 25. So question number 25, we have cos 6x. Now cos 6x, how can I do this one? So this thing, we can write this now. Now for this one, we need to know the formula of cos 3x. Now what was the formula of cos 3x? If you look carefully, the formula of cos 3x was 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This was the formula of cos 3x. This was the formula of cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So I will be using this formula in here. So what will I do? So can I write cos 6x as, if I start with left hand side, cos 6x as cos 3 into 2x, 3 into 2x. So look at here. So look at this one carefully. So the formula of cos 3x is what? The formula of cos 3x is what? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So the angle become what? Angle become 1/3. If the angle is 3x, the angle become 1/3. If the angle is 6x, the angle will become what? 1/3. It means 2x, 2x. If the angle is 9x, the angle will become what? 1/3. That is 3x, 3x. Clear? So here the angle is what? 6x. So it will become 1/3. So it will be written as 4 cos cube 2x, that is 1/3 of 6x is 2x minus 3 cos 2x. This is what we have. Now we know the formula of cos 2x. Now which formula should we use? Look at here, we have three. I told you that we have 3 formulas of cos 2x. Wait a second, where was it? Yes, we had 3 formulas of cos 2x. But which one should we use? We need to know that thing. So if you look at the right hand side, in the right hand side every answer have cos. There is no sign in there. So if there is no sign in there, we cannot use the first one and we cannot use the second one. So we will use the third one. That is cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So we can get everything in cos. So it becomes 4 cos cube is there. So cos cube means we will write this one as 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube. Then minus 3 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we need to know the formula of a minus b whole cube. What is the formula of a minus b whole cube? So the formula of a minus b whole cube is what? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus minus b cube. It is minus b cube. So this is the formula of a cube, a minus b whole cube. Okay. So in place of a, I will write 2 cos square x, and in place of b, I will write 1. So see what do you get? So you get here 4. So I get 2 cos square x whole cube, then minus 3 into a square. A square means 2 cos square x whole square into 1, then plus 3 into 2 cos square x into 1 square, 3a square b, 3b square, 3ab square, then minus b cube. B cube means 1 cube, and then what we have, let me just put in here, and then we have this one as, so bracket close, minus 6 cos square x plus 3, minus it becomes plus 3. So how much is it coming? So 4. Okay, now look at very carefully. So 2 cube, so 2 cube is 8, and cos square is there, so it will get multiplied, cos to the power 6x minus 3. So 2 square is 4, and cos square is there, so it will become cos to the power 4x plus 3 into 2, that is 6, and we get cos square x minus 1, and this side you have 6 cos square x plus 3. So if I multiply, 4 into 8 is 32 cos to the power 6x. This one is what? 4 into 3 into 2, 4, that is 12. 12 into 4 is minus 48. 48 cos to the power 4x plus this one is what? 4 6 are 24 cos square x minus 4 minus 6 cos square x plus 3. So you get 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x. So 24 minus 6, it becomes plus 18 cos square x minus 1, and that is what you see in here. So it's right hand side and it's proved. Done.